So
Okay.
namaste to everyone and namaste, sir. Actually, the 5 day course that we got to do, I could feel a beautiful connect with you.
Right.
Um, you have some special. You feel something good about some people when you come across, and so that is the kind of feeling I felt, and I really enjoyed all the 5 days of the session, and I could actually learn a lot of things. I had some beautiful insights also. That every thought of yours is very very important because it can change a lot of things. The finger exercise, if you all remember, where the size of the finger became small and big, so just one thought changed how our mind looked at the thing. So that was a very beautiful insight for me. And I also then I am at the moment going through a phase where I'm not sure which direction I want to go and what I want to do. I feel I have a lot of ideas and I have a lot of capability, but I'm not able to make out the right channel for myself where I would like to allow myself to go. So, and I felt, that after doing the 5 day course with Sir, initially I felt that probably Sir will be able to help me to reach my goal and to help me to understand what I should actually be doing. And I'm happy, for how you are giving those, small breakup steps towards the goal, which is really good for a person like me. That is really helpful. And just a few things that I just want to share, I mean, which I really liked about you, Sir, especially is that, you look so calm and zen, like I shared earlier also. And it puts the other person, especially all of us, at ease. Like you feel very comfortable at home, and like family affair. That's one thing that I really liked. And then the way you communicate, and you give us the prompt reply to our messages. So like you're there for us, and they're so full of warmth and love. I don't know if everybody else feels the same, but whenever you respond to our messages, it's so full of love, warmth and support, and I really really appreciate that. I wish I could also get that from you, and use it, I mean, and practice it in my day to day life. And all the things that you share in the sessions are just very to the point, very useful, and not overboard, and not at the same time, just the right things for us to have enough to go forward. So I really really appreciate, whatever that I'm doing, and I'm happy to be a part of this wonderful group and all of you all. And I read your messages, and you're all so inspiring. So together we all will rock. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity, sir. Really blessed to be associated with all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.